soft a little bit.
He's flying
No,
ahead of
I'm
it.
not gonna hurt him. He's scared.
He's scared.
Where'd that other one go?
It's underneath the grill.
Where? Under the bottom?
Under the very bottom of the grill.
Yeah, and I saw it go under.
Did you?
Yeah. Me too. Because I saw him jump out and stick his leg out.
See if you can grab him one more time since he's in the open. Oh, there you go, there you go. Get him, get him, get him, get him. You're going to have to be a little bit firm. No, oh.
He just flew.
Wow. Wow. Mom, okay. Mom, I guess if he starts flying, then his brother and his mom and dad are going to be happy.
Oh, he's moving on. Move back, Wesley.
Alright, so that's... Is there another one under the grill?
Yes.
He might have snuck out.
I don't see him.
If you don't see him,